What if Tesla decided to completely redesign the Model X for 2027, combining supercar styling, futuristic technology, and next-generation electric performance into one sleek package? Let's take a closer look at the front design, side profile, rear styling, performance, interior technology, and everything that makes this futuristic electric SUV so appealing. Starting at the front, the first thing that catches your eye is the clean and minimalist front end. Unlike traditional SUVs that rely on a large grille, the Model X adheres to Tesla's electric-first philosophy with a completely enclosed front end. The sleek bodywork creates a seamless look that improves aerodynamic efficiency, while also giving the vehicle a futuristic identity. The LED lighting is particularly impressive. Ultra-slim headlights stretch across the front corners with a sharp, aggressive shape. Within the headlight housing, multiple LED elements create a sophisticated digital display that looks premium and high-tech. At the front, a thin light bar illuminates and visually connects the two headlights. This creates a wider appearance and gives the vehicle a distinct presence at night. Turning to the side profile, this is where the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The roofline now features a sleek, coupe-inspired silhouette that flows elegantly towards the rear. The overall shape appears lower and more aerodynamic than the previous generation. The windshield merges seamlessly into the panoramic glass roof, creating a continuous greenhouse effect that visually enlarges the cabin while improving aerodynamic performance. One of the cleanest design elements is the flush door handles. Tesla continues its minimalist approach by integrating the door handles seamlessly into the body, reducing air resistance and maintaining a smooth vehicle surface. The shoulder line stretches uninterrupted from the front fenders to the rear, giving the SUV a sense of movement even when stationary. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly. At the rear, Tesla has created one of the cleanest and most modern designs we've seen in years. The most prominent feature is the full-length LED taillight system. The lighting stretches from one side of the vehicle to the other, creating a futuristic light signature that instantly identifies the Model X at night. Each taillight contains multiple illuminated segments, adding depth and sophistication to the design. The trunk lid itself remains remarkably clean. The large Tesla lettering sits prominently in the center, replacing the traditional logo and emphasizing the brand's confidence in its identity. The rear spoiler is seamlessly integrated into the roofline, helping to improve aerodynamic efficiency while adding to the sporty appearance. Under the hood, the futuristic 2027 Tesla Model X is likely to push electric SUV performance to a whole new level. Tesla's latest dual and triple motor configurations. The standard version can produce around 500 to 600 horsepower, while the Plaid variant can easily exceed 1,000 horsepower. Acceleration will remain one of the Model X's greatest strengths. The Plaid has the potential to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. Battery technology will also likely see significant improvements. With next-generation battery cells and increased energy density, range can exceed 400 miles on a single charge while supporting ultra-fast charging capabilities. Advanced torque control, adaptive air suspension, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system will further enhance handling and ride quality. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels like a glimpse into the future. The dashboard is dominated by a large, panoramic digital display that spans nearly the entire width of the interior. Instead of multiple separate displays, Tesla appears to have integrated everything into a single, elegant interface that combines instrumentation, navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The steering wheel features a minimalist design with integrated touch controls. Its futuristic shape complements the clean dashboard architecture while maintaining a premium look. The white interior theme creates an open and airy feel. Combined with the vast amount of glass, the cabin feels incredibly spacious and luxurious. Premium materials are visible throughout the interior, including soft-touch surfaces, carbon fiber style trim, and ambient lighting that spans the dashboard and door panels. The center console is also minimalist. Physical buttons are kept to a minimum, with most vehicle functions controlled through the center display or voice commands. The 2027 Tesla Model X represents a bold vision of what the future of an electric luxury SUV could look like. With sleek aerodynamic styling, futuristic lighting, advanced electric performance, and an ultra-modern cabin, it pushes Tesla's design language into a new era. So, what do you think of this futuristic 2027 Tesla Model X? Would you choose it over competitors from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Lucid, or Rivian? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future car reviews and other automotive content.